This is how to change your Amazon email address. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to change your Amazon email ID. The first thing you need to do is to log into Amazon.com. You come to this place, you click sign in. You log in with your original email address. As soon as you log in, you come to account and list. You locate account. You click account. It will take you to this place, your account. You click this, login and security. You'll be required to re-log in to be sure that it is your account. You re-log in again. You click sign in. If you have authentication, you use your authenticator. You see login and security. You see your name, edit, email, edit. Since you are changing your email address, you click edit. You insert the new email. You click continue. You have to verify the new email address. So you go to your inbox, that is, you go to this email address to go and pick one-time password. You paste your one-time password. You click continue. You can see change email. This is my previous email address and this is my current email address. Your current email address has been verified. You have to log in again with your password to be sure you've really changed to your new email address on Amazon. This is my password, safe. You can see email address updated. This is my name and this is my new email address. So this is how to change your email address on Amazon. Thank you.